When you crave a delicious pizza tasting snack that's easy, doesn't make a mess, ready in no time, and it's made in a frying pan, this is the recipe for you. And I'm going to start by putting an egg in a small bowl and beating it with a fork for 1 minute. After I beat the egg, I add 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, a little freshly ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of oil. And mix for about 30 seconds. It's all mixed, so I'm going to add half a cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And mix. This time I'm going to use a wire whisk. Mix well until there are no lumps. And the batter for our pizza snack is ready. Here I have a large frying pan. The bottom measures 9.5 inches from here to here. I'm going to turn on the heat to medium and add enough oil to spread on the bottom of the pan. 2 tablespoons. I'm going to spread it. Also spread a little bit on the sides. I advise you to use a non-stick frying pan. I'm going to remove a little bit of the excess oil and let it heat up. It has been heating up for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to turn the heat down to low. Add the batter to the frying pan and spread it slowly and cover the pan. I'm going to let the batter cook covered for 6 minutes on low heat. After 6 minutes, I'll remove the lid, spread some pizza sauce on the batter that's already cooked. You may use homemade pizza sauce, but I just use ready-made pizza sauce to make it easier. Spread it. You may use as much sauce as you like. I like a lot of sauce. Now I'm going to add mozzarella cheese. I grated 1/3 pound of mozzarella cheese, but you may use more or less. And if you want a pizza that's thicker, you may use a medium-sized frying pan instead. You may use any topping that you like. I like pepperoni, so here we go. And I like a lot of pepperoni. You may use fried sausage, fried bacon, anything you like. I want to keep it simple, so I'm just going to use pepperoni and cheese now. And one more. Of course, to have more of a pizza flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning to the top. I'm using 1/4 teaspoon. Put the lid back on and let it cook for another 10 minutes. It has been cooking for 10 minutes, and this is the result. A delicious pizza, everyone. Look at this. Yum. And so easy to make, right? Now I'm going to loosen up the sides with this spatula. Loosen up the bottom. Like that. It's pretty loosened now. I'm going to transfer it to a plate and slice it. Here we have it. A delicious pizza snack. That took no time to make. I love this pizza snack. How about you? It is awesome, everyone. Quick, easy, delicious. And now I'm going to slice it. Yum. The kids are gonna love it. This is so easy, and you don't have to take my word for it. All you have to do is taste it. Do you want a slice? The crust is golden, delicious. This is the ultimate little pizza snack. You only know if you try it. Thank you for watching.